Hello and welcome from Brecht Caravan in Heilbronn, Germany. I've got this Carado V600 camper van to show you, 599 centimeters in length, and I'm going to show it to you in under 3 minutes. As we come in, we've got the fridge here, kitchen with a lot of space for preparation, 2 burners and a sink, as you'd expect. Storage under the kitchen as well, light here, and storage above as you come around to the rather large bed down here. There's also a second bed in the tent in the roof above. Come into the wash room, toilet as you'd expect, sink, storage and space here for your toiletries. Coming out here below, I've got a wardrobe, and here space USBs with space to leave your telephones whilst they're charging. Storage up there. There is the tent in the roof. It's down at present. You'll have to see the longer video to see it actually come out and its features, but of course you can't get 2 people to sleep there. The table, as you can see, is quite large for a vehicle of this size. Fiat basis, we've got there the Fiat multifunction steering wheel. We've got a Fiat automatic gearbox, which costs over 4,000 euros extra if you take it as an option. Let's come out and have a look round here at the back. So there's a 2 bicycle carrier there. That's also an option, which is, so it's quite a full option vehicle we've got here. So it's plenty of space there. If you want, of course, as with all camper vans, or most of them, this will come up to give you more space under there should it be necessary. Here we've got the space for 2 gas canisters, and as you can see, the gas canisters are already in place. Now come round here and you can see what else we've got. The windows, we've got the sewage there, and the electric hookup, the exhaust for the diesel, the boiler, I should say, sorry, the boiler, and there is the diesel. Right, so around 60,000 plus you pay for this. Thanks very much for watching, and I did that in under 3 minutes.